Hi guys, welcome back. I have another fall DIY and this one is a fall sign, so let's begin. So starting off, I am using this wood board from Dollar Tree Plus. It is $5 and I will be staining it with the Rust-Oleum wood stain in the color Summer Oak. And I'm just going in with a dry cloth and just spreading that onto the board. I did do one layer only and I did run it all across the board, even on the edges. You are supposed to wait 1 minute, but I just wiped it off with another clean cloth, and it just depends how dark you want it. And then while that was done, like I said, I only did one layer. This is how it looked after it's dried. I am going in with some transfer paper and getting that ready for my vinyl. I did cut out the phrase autumn, leaves, and pumpkins, please. And I will just be putting that on my board. I did do the decal with my Cricut. I don't know how to link it. I'm so sorry guys. I still don't know how to do that. And so I am just applying the whole decal onto the board. And that is literally all you have to do. This one was super easy as well. If you already have everything at home plus the vinyl and the stain, all you have to pay is for the wood board. And you have a cheap Kirklands signed dupe. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to comment and like this video. And until next time guys.